In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this HC06 Bluetooth module, which is a cheap little device which you can buy online. By using Arduino, you can control LEDs using your smartphone, or use a relay module to control high power stuff like a fan. Or you can even receive data, for example temperature, by using TS18B20. Okay, let's see how we can hook this thing up. The first pin from the right is VCC, which goes to 5V of the Arduino. Second pin is the ground pin, which goes to ground, I guess. Third pin is the transmit pin, which connects to receive pin of the Arduino. And the last pin is receive, which we cannot connect directly to Arduino's TX pin because the Bluetooth module is 3.3V compatible, which means anything more than 3.3V will kill the board. So we need a voltage divider, which converts our 5V signal into 3.3V. I'm using 4.7K and 2.2K connected in series. The 4.7K resistor pin goes to ground. The 2.2K resistor pin goes to transmit or TX pin of the Arduino. And the middle pin of the resistor goes to the receive or RXD of the Bluetooth module. This will do the trick. And now we can go ahead and connect our three LEDs. The red LED is connected to pin 13, green goes to pin 12, blue goes to pin 11, and each LED has a 330 ohm resistor to limit the current. Code for this module is very simple. It communicates over UART, so we need just a serial library. This while loop checks to see if the data is available. If it gets data, it stores it into a variable and run the corresponding code based on the data is received. For example, if it receives 3, blue LED will turn on. Now we can upload the board, but before we do that, we have to disconnect the TX and RX pin from the Arduino because it interferes with the programming, which will result in an error. And after we're done uploading, we can reconnect those pins. For the Android application, you can use S2 terminal, which is freely available in the Play Store. Or you can create your own app by using MIT App Inventor 2. I used an already existed app which was created by Wada Kwai and added my 3 buttons to it, assign the task to each button to send the ASCII character, build the app and install it on my phone. And it works flawlessly. So that's about it for this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, like, comment, subscribe, or share my videos to your friends. Stay safe and I will see you next time.